Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What's up? It's been a long time since I posted a video and now I'm finally back again with some unboxing to be done today. Let's start. So guys, these are the Audio Technica ATH M50X headphones which I recently bought. And the reason for me to buy these headphones was because these headphones were spoken highly of on the internet. Everybody had given great reviews about these headphones. Actually, I was looking to buy a pair of headphones which would be comfortable to wear, which have amazing sound quality and is not, very expensive. So this was one of the recommendations that I got from some of my friends and I went ahead and bought it. So before we talk about these headphones in general, let's just quickly do an unboxing of this product and see what all do we get inside the box. So to start off with, I think the unboxing should be fairly simple. Here we get this first package. Let's see what inside this. Okay, we have some paperwork and okay, so this is the travel bag for the headphones themselves. We then have the headphones that are pretty nice. On lifting these headphones, I really feel they are a little bit heavy, but that's okay, it's still acceptable. Besides this, we have this adapter, 3.5 inch to 5.7 inch adapter, which is very handy, especially if you have some kind of gadget which uses these kind of bigger pins. And I think Audio Technica has done a great job by providing this. Besides this, let's see how many wires do we have. We have 1, 2 and 3 wires. So we altogether have 3 wires and that's it. There is nothing else inside the box, so let's just keep the box aside. And to talk about, there are this wire I think is about again 3 meters and it's a spiral wire, which is pretty nice, especially if you want to keep your headphones on your computer desk. It's going to be pretty handy. The second is the standard I think 1.2 meter or 1.8 meter 3.5 mm jack, and the third one is the 3 meter long cable. Now just by holding the cable, you know that this product is of a very high quality. I have Bang & Olufsen headphones with me, but the quality of the wire is not as good as this. Those headphones are somewhere in the range of $500 to $600 or about 35 to 40,000 rupees, but they still don't boast of such high quality wires. So I'm really happy that Audio Technica did that. Now speaking of the wire themselves, these wires I think are some kind of proprietary because these headphones can just be paired to these wires. So if by any bad luck or by any chance you kind of lose all these 3 cables or you damage these cables, you're not going to get these headphones running on wires. So guys, make sure that you don't damage them. Now let's come to the headphones themselves. So the headphones feel really good. They're pretty sturdy. They don't feel like it's a cheap quality headphones. There's leather on the top where you have the brand name that's been printed. On the downside, you have this foam which again is pretty comfortable to touch. And talk about the ear cups, again they have good foam inside this and they have this leather packing on the top. Now my concern with this would be if you come from a place which is pretty hot or you stay in a country which is pretty hot during the summers, you are going to have some problem with these headphones only because this is leather, and when you wear it on your head, it actually kinds of creates some kind of vacuum which doesn't allow the external sound to go in. So this has this passive sound noise cancelling thing going on. But I mean, if you come from a hot place and then you go out and you are wearing these headphones, I think it's going to make you a little bit uncomfortable for the fact that you're going to sweat in your ears. So yeah, that could be a concern. Now another thing about these headphones is that when you're not using, you can actually remove the cables, which again is a very good thing. I think it's very well thought of, and a lot of other headphone manufacturers should actually go with this design. Now the headphones themselves, they kind of fold inside and it's pretty easy to kind of store them inside the travel bag that you get. I am still not very comfortable folding these, but I think that's how you fold these headphones. But yeah, so that's how you fold the headphones and keep inside the bag. And I think, yeah, the headphones overall in general feel pretty good. The build quality is pretty good. The design is pretty simple. It's not overdone. They just have their Audio Technica logo on each side of these cups, and they don't look bad. They look simple and subtle. Now, the next thing I really want to point out here is the marking for the left and right cup. That's just on the brackets on both of these sides, which makes it very easy to find out your left ear cup and right ear cup. A lot of headphones which I have used, they basically have the marking on the back side of the cup, and sometimes because it's embossed and the paint that they put on the plastic, it kind of covers it, so sometimes it's pretty difficult to find out or figure out which side of the cup are you supposed to wear, on the right or the left. So Audio Technica here again has done an amazing job, a good job, by putting the left and right marking or the indication at a place where you can easily see. The next thing I really want to talk about is the size of the drivers that they have used here. It's a 48 driver, which means there's a very big driver inside it, and I really expect these headphones to perform very well both on vocals and music. So I'm really looking forward to test it out. We'll just do it in a couple of minutes. The next thing I really want to point here is that these headphones actually have external Bluetooth adapters from various third-party companies, and I've heard that they work pretty well. So in case you want to make these headphones kind of Bluetooth or wireless, you could actually buy those accessories, and they're not pretty expensive. So you can buy those accessories, fit onto these headphones here to this jack, and yep, you have the wired speakers converted to the Bluetooth speakers. Now coming back to the quality or the sound of these headphones, we'll just test it quickly. I'm gonna connect the longest wire that they have here to my iPhone, and we'll just see in a moment how this earphone would perform. Or in fact, we can just connect it to my computer. That would be a better idea. So I'm gonna connect it to my computer here, and I'm gonna play some songs on YouTube. So we'll just quickly see. Whoa, the bass is really good. It's actually hitting my ears, and it's incredibly loud. I don't think anybody should be listening to these headphones with volume full on, and this is insane. The music is absolutely clear. It's crisp. There's no distortion. The volume is on high, and the bass is just amazing. No complaints as of now whatsoever. Okay, so I mean, these headphones are just simply amazing. The kind of sound that they are reproducing is simply superb. It's clear, it's not distorting, there's no distortion whatsoever. The vocals are good, the bass is good, the treble is good. It's perfect. I mean, on my computer, I don't think I have any kind of equalizer which is activated or something. In fact, the music that I was listening to was on YouTube, so probably the music again is a little bit compressed. But from what I could hear, the sound was just amazing. It's superb. I'm really happy. And the price point at which I bought these, 150 US dollars, or about 10,700 Indian rupees. At the time of filming this video, these headphones are absolutely, I mean, like, value for money. If I have to recommend any headphones to anyone, I think I'm gonna recommend these to them. The sound quality is just simply amazing. I really love the sound quality, and I think I'm gonna use these headphones more than often now. So guys, yeah, that's it. I mean, this was a simple kind of unboxing video. I just tried one music just to see how these sound. Performance is amazing, price very reasonable for these kind of quality. I've not heard any other product having similar kind of sound at this particular price point. I'm really happy that I bought them. I think I'm going to use them on a daily basis while playing games, while listening to music, while creating some kind of content. This is just amazing. This is what I was looking for, and I've got what I wanted. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yep, nothing more to say. If you like the video, press that like button, share the video with your friends, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do consider subscribing our channel. It means a lot to us, so I really hope you guys do support us. And yep, it's just a start. We have a long way to go. So I hope guys you'll keep on supporting us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, it's Ajib signing off. Bye bye. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed.